It was 489.
Close to 400.
287.
Over 400.
They genetically do not have enough receptors on their liver to clear the cholesterol.
Our LDLs is the one that, my bad cholesterol was always bad.
I was always over like 100, 200.
Years ago, we didn't have many options to offer patients.
You could call it the dark ages back then.
We would continuously see patients returning to the emergency room, getting multiple procedures.
89, it was a double bypass.
Peter was 29 years old when he had it.
A couple more balloon procedures. Then they started with the stents.
Even if a person eats perfectly healthy and leads a healthy life, there's a requirement for medication. Now, their life can be completely different.
You bet. So your sugar marker is perfect, and your LDL is probably the lowest it's ever been, right? That's great.
It's never been that low.
Amazing. Now we can really prevent disease in patients who never had heart disease, or even in patients who already have heart disease.
We are a little worried because of our children, and our children are having children.
If somebody has it, there's a 50% chance at least that their children will have it as well.
I've had high cholesterol since I was born.
Wasn't shocking at all. It's almost like expected.
They've always been on like all 19 of us to get checked out.
If we start at a very young age and recognize that people have this disorder, then we can entirely prevent the whole process of building plaque in the arteries that leads to heart attacks and strokes.
Since 2012, I haven't had an incident. Because I listened to Dr. Giannis and she put me on the right path.
You know, your bad cholesterol, the LDL, is actually down to 28. So really in a very low range.
At Northwell Health, we are focused on prevention, and in the lipid world, we have multiple sites throughout our health system, including a new lipid center in Manhasset, where we can treat all these patients to the more aggressive targets that they really need.
I said we're finally doing something right.
You got
We're
it
on the
right.
right path.
You got it right, exactly.
She's unbelievable, to tell you the truth. There's like, she was a godsend to our family. That's the way I feel.